Hey everyone, this is Kimberly Brown. I am just showing you that we ordered and got our first day of school box. And you have 2 days to order it. We're in the middle of summer, we have kids in the background. But in probably 2 clicks, you can order yours. When you open it up, Mac is super excited to get his. You open it up, everything is pre-packed. It includes the cleaning supplies that you need for the classroom, everything that your teachers pre-ordered, the crayons that you need in the right sizes. You don't have to think about anything, and honestly, it's market pricing. The school gets a small percentage, so you get a little bit of that fundraiser that we need. And then it comes to your door in this awesome little box. We put it under our front room bench or in the closet because he will 100% get into these markers in advance if we don't hide it. But look, school shopping is done. And the kids are kind of excited about school, right kiddo? This is my preschooler and our first grader is super excited. So, first day of school shopping, done. And then we get to have fun with the backpack and we're ready to go. So, 2 clicks, get it done, raise a little bit of money for the school, knock it out, you got 2 days. Thanks everyone.
Mommy.